We use the ARIS product basically in the load and capacity planning and forecasting process for Long Island for the utility industry. The product basically sits on top of certain load and capacity planning models that we use in Excel to run essentially sensitivities on load forecasts, resource availability, and those sensitivities generally go out over a 10 or 20 year time frame and are ultimately incorporated into our long-term planning. Well, the functions we basically rely on are the distributions and the graphing of those distributions. We incorporate a lot of the tornado diagrams, for example, which is one of the graphing functions to see what different correlations are regarding our input variables, such as load forecasts or changes in load patterns or things of that nature. So those hold special interest to us. Any enhancements involving those different functions are the things we're always looking at. Well, the graphics, obviously, charts and graphs are always the best way to relay information to senior management in any company, and the improvements that Palisade's made in those graphics are probably one of the biggest things that I kind of took a look at with regard to what we're doing and some of the applications that I could use those graphs and charts in. I look at the shortcuts because our model is quite large, and the ability to reduce steps is something that's of great interest to me because we have so many inputs on our models. If you can combine some of the steps to those inputs, that's a big thing.